Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can create templates using Spur. So let's go to marketing tools, then go to message templates. Click on create template. Now you get a ton of options here for which kind of template you can create. So we have options like marketing and single message, marketing and carousel, limited time offer templates, catalog templates, wherein you can send your WhatsApp catalog, multi-product message template, wherein you can select particular products from your WhatsApp catalog and send them. Then utility templates, and finally authentication. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a marketing and a single message template. So let's name it marketing single one. Create template. Perfect. So the first thing we have here is a header. So a header is what shows up on the top of the template. So let's say we have text here. If I write a text here, header text, it shows up on the top in bold separately. Instead of the text, I can also have an image on top of the template. So let's say I'm writing something in the body. So the message will come here and the image will show on top of it. And then we also can add a video here and a document here like a PDF or something. For images, the restrictions are the image should be a JPEG or a PNG. For videos, the video should be MP4 and less than 16 MB. For documents, you can use PDFs or any other document you want. Perfect. So for the purpose of this video, let's select an image here. By the way, you do not add the image right now. You add the image while you're using it in the automation flow or the broadcast. Let's go to the body and add our body text. So let's say hi. Then let's say we want to add the customer's name after hi. So we'll just click on add variable. Now the variable one comes here, and when we will be using this template in the automation flow or the broadcast, we'll replace this one with the customer's first name. So let's say hi one. This is a marketing template. Click the button below to purchase. Perfect. Now the third thing we have here is a footer. So footer is a text which comes up in a less bold, or you can say a lighter font. So I can type here something like reply stop to unsubscribe. If we are sending this template to a lot of people, then it's recommended that you add a text like this in the footer, so that instead of them blocking you, they just write stop to unsubscribe from future marketing campaigns. Now comes the final step, which is adding a button. Let's click on add button here, and we get a list of all the buttons that we can add. So first of all, we have a quick reply button. So we can add up to 10 quick reply buttons at the same time here. So if I keep on adding them, it shows up like this, right? Now what exactly is a quick reply button? So a quick reply button, whenever someone clicks on it, whatever is written in it comes from the customer side. So for example, if this template is something like yes and no, then when they click on it, we'll know, okay, if they have clicked yes or if they have clicked no, and we can trigger the next step of the automation flow for them based on this, right? But what if we want to send them to a website? We don't want to interact with them. So let's select the visit website button here. Now we'll add the text of the website button. So let's say shop now. The link to this button, we will add this in the automation flow or in the broadcast while running it. With this, we can also add a quick reply button and other buttons like this, but let's keep it simple and have only one button like this. I'll submit this for review. This template will go to WhatsApp. WhatsApp will review it and approve it if they think it's fine. The status has gone to now pending. We can go back to message templates. Let's try to refresh one more time. And now it's approved. Let's try to use it within an automation flow. So let's say I create an automation flow like this, for WhatsApp and start from scratch. I'll click on this plus button. I'll click on WhatsApp. I'll connect the first step with this message. Here I will click on plus send message and then select template. Now I'll select this template which I created earlier. Perfect. Now it is asking me to upload a photo. So instead of dynamic, we'll click on it and click on upload. And now we'll click on choose file and upload a photo. Now it's asking what should be there instead of 1. So let's click on this and see what happens. Alright. So when we click on a input field in a variable, this section opens up. Now this section shows us all the variables that we have. So we have variables of the user like their name, phone number, email. We have variables of the store like the store name, store URL, etc. And let's say if they have placed an order earlier, or if this flow is starting because of Shopify or some other e-commerce platform, then we get variables from the e-commerce platform. In this scenario, let's use as first name, then button variable. Now it's not like we only have to select a variable from here. We can add something on our own. So let's say I can add a link to our website like this. It's not necessary that I use a variable. Now I'll just rename this new template. I'll enable it and I'll save it. Now this flow is live. Perfect. Now let me show you how you can use a template within a broadcast. So let's go to marketing tools, then a message broadcast. Click on new broadcast. Select the template that we just created. Similarly, select the photo we want to upload here. In the body, we want to add a variable for the customer's first name. And here we can also have a fallback. So fallback is like if the customer's first name is not available, then there will go instead. Now comes the shop now button. And we are done. So I'll just save it. I'll go to settings, select the segment for which I want to send this broadcast to, rename it and send it right away. So yeah, this is how you can create message templates within Spur, and we have a lot more templates that you can create using Spur. We hope you got to learn from this, and we are looking forward to working with you further. Thank you.